Hello from the Grand Hyatt Dubai. My name is Tatjana Ahmed and I'm the housekeeping manager here at the hotel. Today, our housekeeping coordinator and former room attendant Prabhu has prepared a wedding suite with towel art. This is a very special talent he has, and in fact, he is teaching all his other colleagues how to make these beautiful displays. What he has used today to do this towel art are only 4 bath sheets and 2 hand towels and some beautiful flower petals from our gardens. We want to make sure that our guests have a very memorable experience when they come to the Grand Hyatt Dubai. And Prabhu is a key player in the team, and he makes sure that our guests feel the Hyatt touch. Today, we are expecting for a honeymoon couple to arrive at the Grand Hyatt Dubai, and therefore we prepare a lovely heart and swan towel art. We prepared the display with 4 bath sheets and 2 hand towels. We used 2 candy eyes and fresh flowers from our gardens. The towels must be fluffy and free of stains and holes. When you fold the towels, please ensure that you roll them very tightly so they stay properly in place. For an experienced room attendant, it will take about 5 minutes to complete. So here you can see how Prabhu is rolling the towels for the heart. He is making sure that the heart is in a beautiful shape. But please ensure to put all your passion into the artwork, as it will show in the final product. Prabhu is now preparing for the swan, and he is rolling the wings. Now preparing for the second swan, ensuring the head of the swan is really tightly rolled so it can stay in place. For decorating the swan, you can use flowers from the garden, or if you have rose petals from your florist, they also look quite pretty. As a final touch, Prabhu will add some extra wings onto the swans. I'm sure our guests will love it, and they will feel the Hyatt touch.